Paul McCartney faced an enormous challenge when he began working with Wings. Anything he released after 1970 was inevitably going to be compared with the Beatles, and if audiences were already reluctant to accept his decision to pursue a solo career for several albums, bringing his wife Linda into the band would have made many people wonder whether he had completely lost his mind. But despite having to rebuild his career from the ground up, Macca knew he still had the potential to create one of the biggest bands of all time if he could continue producing memorable hooks. Wildlife was always going to serve as a test of whether the new band could actually function, but the rest of the world was hardly prepared to embrace what he was doing. As far as many people were concerned, McCartney was the former Beatle who had lost his way and turned his back on his old bandmates. Since much of their debut consisted of the group working through loose ideas and unfinished song concepts, the album reinforced the impression that the Fab Four member had completely lost his touch. When even Ringo Starr was outperforming McCartney on the charts, it became obvious to many that something was not quite right. But once the cute one regained his footing, he knew exactly what direction he needed to take. He wanted his new ideas to develop alongside the rest of Wings, but his record label was not particularly interested in a McCartney who was willing to take creative risks again. That kind of music was not what audiences were buying at the time, and what the industry wanted instead were immediate singles that everyone could easily embrace. McCartney could produce those kinds of songs effortlessly, but although My Love was an effective way of winning back some goodwill, people also wanted to hear him rock again. His career had already contained more than enough sentimental ballads for many listeners, and while he could have continued filling the singles charts with soft material, Hi 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 offered the first real indication that he might be returning to his rock and roll roots. The song was sharp, energetic, and more than slightly provocative for mainstream audiences, but McCartney knew he had something special. Combined with his Bond theme from around the same period, the two songs demonstrated that he was still capable of reminding listeners that he was the same musician who had once written Helter Skelter and I'm Down. And when compared with everything else Wings had produced, McCartney regarded this particular track as one of the finest songs they had created together, saying, "I was in a sensuous mood in Spain when I wrote it. To me, it was just a song to close our act, and since it went down well when we toured the continent, I thought it would be a good single. I think it's the best single we've done as Wings."